that brings up the pot, which I love. It is a induction-friendly stainless steel. That means it'll work on an induction oven. It's flat on the bottom and flat on the bottom in here, and that's the big deal. If you know about Insta Pots, they've always had a concave bottom. The next is, here's the air frying basket, and it has this thing, which is a dehydrate or broiler tray, they call it, and it has this ridge around the top that you set that in when you're needing to get food closer to the element, and that's what that's for. And then it has, in case you've never used one of these, it has this right here. Makes it real easy to clean. It snaps on and snaps off real easy. The trivet comes like this. You either set it in here like that, which in other words, it's in the low position, or if you want to get something closer to the element, you just bring this back and you lock the legs like that, and now you'll be able to set it like that. And then the lid. It's the newest, latest, and greatest lid they got. I love it. One thing it does is when you put it on, which you would line these up, you turn it, and then it has this like diffuser that helps, you know, diffuse that steam when it's coming out, and makes it slows it down a little bit and quietens it down a little bit. But let's see, here's the air frying lid, and it's just like pretty close to the other one, not exact to the one that came on the first version they had of this, because of this. Because of these handles, it is a little bit different right here, which that wouldn't matter. Whoops, I got it backwards. That wouldn't matter to you, but in other words, you couldn't interchange the lids, which probably shouldn't anyhow. Here's the trivet. This goes on, so when you take this off, want to check your stuff, your air frying, it's hot, you set this on there.